Do your hair extensions look like this? Instead of this? Or maybe they look like this. Instead of this. Well, chances are you either bought really bad hair, but we'll save that conversation for another day. Or you just don't have the right products to take care of them. So that's why I created the Perfect Extensions Kit, the first texture-specific hair care line made for extension wearers everywhere.
You know these weren't cheap. They look it.
See, the reality is, human hair extensions don't get the same nutrients that your real hair gets from all of that goodness that you hopefully put in your body. That means all those berries and avocados you've been downing won't solve a thing when your extensions that are not growing out of your head start to look
and act lifeless.
Hair extensions have their own unique set of problems which won't necessarily solve themselves. It's like this. Your hair, it tangles, but give it a good enough brush through and some leave-in and it will survive. Your extensions, they mat. At this point, it's beyond detangling. You're performing surgery. Plus, excess moisture can get trapped at the root and lead to molding. Ew. The moral of the story is you need a lightweight solution that was made for the texture of extensions that you have. So whether your waves have stopped flowing, your kinks have stopped kicking, or your straight hair has turned duller than that date you went on last week, hey, I'm just saying.
Now you know you spent way too much money on your hair extensions for them to not look perfect.
Perfect Extensions Kit is here to have you and your extensions look as good on day 365 as they did on day 1.